Guys, this is the second of the custom two driving eights in the 16 pill cabinet. Two standard HG 2879s driving eight 2879Cs. So your driver section on this amp can take quite a bit of drive. We're only going to be hitting it with the Uniden just because that's what I've got in line right now. And again, just a reminder, we will be starving it for power. Hopefully after this weekend, that won't be the case. Setting up a new test table with uh, a larger dummy load, probably going to be a larger power supply. Well, definitely going to be a larger power supply, but still waiting on that to get done. Dedicated circuit and all that. So in the future, we'll be testing, up to a 32 pill pretty safely on these transistor amps, and won't have to worry about starving for power anymore. Again, when I first set all this up, I never intended on selling anything more than a 4 pill or a 6 pill, but things have changed, obviously. So just testing it for functionality. Again, won't see full output out of it. We're going to run it. I might as well turn it up to 15 volts. Not that that's going to make a huge difference, but just because that's where I'm going to recommend to run this thing at. Because it does have standard HG 2879s in the driver section and then 2879Cs in the output. So this is your 2 pill section. This is your 8 pill section. And then, of course, you have the variable over here. But let's just test it and see how it does. I should have my dead key kind of preset. About a 275 watt dead key, give or take there. And this is with both sections on. Audio, audio, audio. Right there around the 700, 750 watt average mark. Again, we're starving it. And that's about the limit that we can get out of anything that we put on this meter. It's hard to get over that 700 something watts average. PEP, audio 1, 2, 3. PEP, audio 1, 2, 3. A little bit over 1500. Audio 1, 2, 3. Audio 1, 2, 3. So we're not hitting it with a very stout radio. And again, starving it for power. So again, just want to make sure that we saw some decent numbers out of it. So what I'm going to do now, actually, I'll just kill the 8 pill section. This will be just the 2 pill. We'll check it on peak. Audio 1, 2, 3, and that kind of lets us know what we're actually putting into the 8 pill. So about 300 watts or so. So we're still kind of loafing, the power that's going into the 8 pill section. It's not like we're driving the crap out of it. We're only hitting it with, around 300, 325 watts PEP. So that's the 2 pill section. And now I'll just test the 8 pill section with just a radio. Audio, 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 and it's doing 750 watts, 700 watts PEP. Audio 1, 2, 3, audio, which is actually pretty good considering that it's 8 2879Cs and we're only hitting it with a dang, 35 watt radio. I'd say that's actually pretty good. So, again, when you got them both turned on, 2 pill pushing 8, you got it here, just the 8 pill, here, just the 2 pill. And that's it. Nice amp. I mean, you should have all kinds of key down time on this amp. 4 fans on it. Had it built for myself in mind. Again, I had 2 of these done. One I was going to keep, but I got talked out of it. So this one's actually going to go out to a customer. And then the other one has already left. So these should be really good amps to just sit there and just beat the crap out of and talk on and talk on and talk on. You shouldn't have to worry about overheating or anything in this large of a cabinet with this many fans on it. Again, the driver section isn't killing the 8 pill section. An 8 pill C box can take, I would say 400 plus PEP pretty easy. And our driver section's only putting about 300, 325 into it. So you got some headroom there. You're not killing the driver section, especially if you're hitting it with a radio like this. But even if you hit it with a 50 watt radio, you're not going to be killing the driver section. So you got headroom all around. You got some options to run with it. If you kind of want to just cruise it and, you don't want to run full output until somebody wants to come in there and mud duck you, then you can run just the 8 pill section and you've got, 700, 800 watts, depending on what radio you're using right there. So you got a lot of options with these amps. I like them. Probably going to order another one just like it for myself to replace this one. But I really like the way these turned out. Again, I think they'll see a lot better numbers on a dedicated circuit, or if you're putting in a mobile and you have the juice to go to it. I guarantee you we're dropping voltage like crazy. Yeah, so it's dropping pretty good. I mean, it's only dropping, 0.6 volts, half a volt, but that's still a considerable drop. With the proper power supply feeding, it wouldn't be dropping at all. And again, that voltage drop is crucial because we've got 2879Cs in here, so half a volt doesn't sound like much, but it's actually quite a bit. When these transistors are they're volt hungry. They crave, at least 15 volts is really where you need to be running the 2879C at. You see quite a bit of gain just going from 14.5 to 15 with the 2879C. They actually pick up quite a bit. So that's it, guys. Questions, comments, shoot me a text, 423-299-3535. Let me know what you think. Rooster in Tennessee. See you, bye.